Yo, what's good, YouTube? Back with another trade recap, or maybe I should say like daily recap, because I didn't actually take any trades today. So this was like a mock-up. I wish I took this, but I don't know what. Like, I just feel like I think I'm just a bit like trading with fear and stuff these days because of the new funded account. But anyways, so the daily, I had no idea what we were doing on the daily because when price opened, when New York session opened, we were really bullish on the daily, but I was expecting us to go down and take out these lows as we just because we never managed to close above this high that got taken out, and we had just taken out this high the previous day, and then I thought we were gonna start moving down, but that didn't happen. So 4 hour was bullish today because we had swept this high up here, closed above, and looking for longs along with the 1 hour. 1 hour was also bullish. So yeah, so I had some. So on the 30 minute, I don't know why, but in the Asian session in London, we were just going like like long. So wasn't really sure why that happened. I don't think there was even that much news. Yeah, there wasn't even news this morning in London, so not really sure why that happened. So there was no low for me to play off of. I mean, there was a low for me to play off of on the London, but there was no highs for me to like enter off of. And then there were Asian highs down here, so I didn't really know what to look at for there. So I was looking at like previous 4 hour hourly highs or 4 hour highs. So on the 4 hour, there was this high, and this high. And then on the 1 hour, there was actually this high, which I marked out after, not because I didn't really notice it. But yeah. So then price open, session opened right above, like, so this was like a pre-market sweep, and then saw a break of structure to the downside, and then equilibrium got hit, and then we had like a move to the downside, so I entered off of that. I would have entered off of that, but I didn't actually take this trade because number one, I was bullish for the day because 4 hour, 1 hour, everything was bullish, and this was kind of like, because it could have just been a fake out and then trying to reach these higher liquidity points. So that's one reason I did it. And then number two, it's just this was a sweep pre-market because we originally had sweep this like an hour before market open. So didn't really want to enter off of that. But other than that, this would have been a pretty good trade. I also don't really trade off of this old strategy now. I'm more focused on the forex strategy with the boxing and stuff. But I feel like I should be more open to this. Some emotions I felt, I felt kind of pissed. I seen the market move, go down. I was like missing out. I haven't traded since Wednesday. Kind of like, can't lie, I'm kind of feeding for a trade. Trying to get back in the markets, but gotta stay patient. Take like high probability trades, but this just added confidence to me knowing that this actually, like, this liquidity sweep stuff works, and it's making me realize that the forex strategy along with this liquidity sweep TGR thing is like, they're like pretty similar. It's just like, I don't know why I just felt like this one was way more complicated, but it's like the exact same thing. It's just marking out liquidity and then daily bias. So yeah, on EU, I saw that, so we had this New York session high off to play with, but didn't really take it because I was also bullish on this as well. So on the 4 hour, um, 4 hour we were bullish with this high getting taken out close above. On the daily, however, I had no idea, right? So I was thinking we would be bearish and close down here, but again, when market opened, we were really bullish on this. So I was thinking maybe we could take out these highs or something like that. So yeah, so because the 4 hour was bullish along with the 1 hour being bullish as well, I didn't really want to take this short here. I mean, there was opportunities to take shorts, but I mean, it's a good thing I didn't because market is not moving at all today. So I mean, market didn't really move in like the proper direction. I mean, it moved up, but like, bro, I don't even know. Okay, so I'm like, yeah. So I had these New York session highs from Thursday last week that we just pushed past. These were there's no London high to play off of. I mean, there was this doesn't count as London high though because this is New York session open, but London Asian highs and then Asian lows down here. So like, and then there was down here, but yeah. So it was just New York, these New York highs I was playing off of, maybe even this, but Yeah, price just came into it, didn't break. I mean, price broke structure, but then there was no confluence really to enter off of. Like nothing I saw. There was a fair value gap here that that could be inverse or something, but didn't happen. So this was also like I guess an inverse here, closing below here, but this is a way later into market open, so didn't take a trade on that. Yeah, that's. I mean, how could I have improved this? I mean, I think it's good that I sat out, but I feel like I could have managed my emotions better because I felt like I was like I was like agonizing over seeing the price move down, and I was contemplating like, yo, should I just enter for fun or something? But I mean, I think it's a good thing I didn't enter because that would just be like taken away from the belief that I am a consistent trader. And yeah, no trades today. Maybe a trade tomorrow. I swear this was just there was something. I thought I saw something here. Might have just gone away, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna play trade Wednesday. Maybe Thursday, but there's like hella red news, so I'm probably not gonna trade. And then Friday probably not gonna trade because not an NFP. So yeah, tomorrow's probably gonna be the last trading day of the week, and then I'm gonna have to wait until next Monday. Man, I actually don't want it. Sometimes I just feel like, yo, maybe I shouldn't even do this anymore, bro. But yeah, that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.